Weekday mornings. There is no lazing around. My normal wake up time is 7:30 am, but there are days when I'm late in getting up. I wonder how life would have been if there were no fixed time to get up and go to sleep. But I guess those initial days of lockdown were once in a lifetime opportunity, and they're gone now. Productivity may mean different things to different people. For me, productivity means to accomplish the chores I have planned efficiently, along with having some time for my family as well as me. I will start with the kitchen. Fix some quick breakfast while I arrange the dishes from last night. I'll boil some eggs for a quick egg toast today. Have to really rush to have the dishwasher empty and the dishes arranged for the day. I personally view the dishwasher as a very productive tool. It might be on the pricier side, but the amount of effort it eliminates, it's worth the investment. This is for me and Parth because Kaya doesn't like onions.
Really? What's going on? Cool. Lists on my laptop to see I'll let you know after summer vacation. Okay, you may begin. You have 5 minutes.
Kaya has her school online classes 3 days a week from 9:30 am and she needs to get her breakfast done and ready for class before that. So, on days like today, when I woke up later than usual, there is no fancy breakfast. It will be this easy toast with some cornflakes with milk for all of us. And Parth had the coffee ready to start off the morning.
Come, let's go. Breakfast. Fast, you class. Come fast.
And though we get dressed quickly, I spent a little more time in Kaya's hairdo for the day. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. A jeans and a t-shirt and a jeans. So I would normally just wear shorts with my t-shirt, but since Kaya has her classes today, so I decided to wear the jeans instead of the shorts. And let's go.
Will you be late or what?
I don't think so. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Kaya.
Initially, we had a hard time settling into this new normal. Gradually, now it seems it has become a part of our life. And that 1 hour, either Parth or me take turns to sit with her, to help her navigate the class. Though most of it she can do on her own now.
This is the bad one. I'm not good at it.
Parth usually starts his work later in the morning unless he has any meetings. So it's mostly he who helps Kaya with the classes.
Very good.
Taking help from family is another way in which I can maintain my efficiency and sanity throughout the day.
A story. Who said that? Me. Hi. Children, that's my duty. I will definitely read it for y'all. Definitely. They look out of the window. Please say bye to your friends, children. Bye, everybody. See you soon. Hope you enjoyed the singing.
Kaya has been fluent in English since she was very young. The reason is that we did not want to confuse her with many languages and wanted her to learn one language perfectly.
Hello, are you there yet? Now?
We also encourage her with Hindi and Bengali equally, and she is picking it up really well.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Welcome to CarPlay. Welcome.
We have used Cambly Kids English learning sessions for Kaya before. I will link that video in the info box above. Her basics are already clear, and what we want her to develop is the confidence to talk to anyone in any English accent.
Like.
Very good.
Communication skills is one of the most important skills in today's world. When it comes to English, kids learn how to read, write in school, but some kids become underconfident in speaking. Cambly Kids helps kids aged 4 to 15 become confident speakers who can have an English conversation with anyone.
Is there something that you don't like to do?
I don't like to eat.
What food is it that you don't like?
Well, I don't like onions and lemons.
Okay, that's understandable. Yes, maybe you will develop a taste for it later.
Tutors on Cambly Kids are native English speakers from UK, USA, Canada, etc. and all classes are one-on-one over video chat and can be done 24/7. The lesson plan covers grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, accent training, and tutors teach in the most fun and engaging way, making the child very comfortable.
I gave you 5 stars. Well done, Gaia. Very
The
good.
curriculum details are available on the website. It is ideal for those parents who want their children to overcome their shyness and become smart and confident speakers.
Can you tell me more about that?
We fold papers and make some characters.
That's beautiful. Wow.
Cambly Kids is certified by the Kids Safe Seal program and is marked as a child-friendly website.
I want to be an astronaut because I like space. What do you want to do?
I want to be a vet.
Please go through their website and consider enrolling for a demo class for only Rs 199. Links are in the description box below.
Fantastic. Oh, you've done really well. I gave you 5 stars. Thank you so much, Gaia. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Mom.
It's time for Kaya's midday snack. After all the morning activities, she gets hungry. She loves watermelon. It's something I know she would always eat. And now it's time for me to get to some cooking. I have some leftovers in the fridge from yesterday, so I'm going to just cook a simple dal and beans fry. We eat leftovers very often. On days which are as busy as today, leftovers are a savior, and I find myself prioritizing other activities in the day. While I will also put some rice into the rice cooker so that by the time my dal and sabzi gets ready, the rice gets ready at the same time. Trying to utilize the time as much as I can. My maid would help me with cleaning the kitchen, brooming, mopping or dusting and other household chores before she leaves for the day. I feel having a house help by paying a nominal amount is a smarter and more productive choice to accomplish certain chores and devote that time to more important tasks. Like, for me, being able to spend some time with Kaya now.
So you want this princess one, Kaya? And I'll paint on this Barbie, okay?
Okay.
That.
These are some ways I handle my busy mornings without actually getting exhausted. Every day is different, and the biggest secret to being productive is waking up early, which I'm still trying with some success.
You take crayons, I'll take these ones.
Don't you think she should have some more colors on her dress?
Yeah, I'm going to make it colorful.
Thank you for watching today's video and I'll see you soon. Happy weekend!